Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the watch charged to at least 50% and your phone nearby. Start pairing now. Open the companion app and follow on-screen codes because pairing secures data and enables notifications. Once paired, set permissions for Bluetooth, location, and notifications so apps work reliably. Choose a watch face and quick access tiles to match daily needs. This saves time later. Make sure firmware updates are accepted. They fix bugs and add features. Do not skip this step. Now configure the core features that make the watch useful every day. Customize complications and widgets so you see calendar, weather, or timers at a glance. This reduces taps. Set health tracking thresholds and goals. Calibrate step count by walking 100-200 steps with phone for accuracy. Sync music and enable Wi-Fi if supported, because offline playback and updates depend on it. Once done, review notification filters to prevent overload and check battery settings to balance performance versus endurance. Finish by creating routines and rules so the watch behaves predictably. Set alarms, do not disturb windows, and app limits. Back up your settings to the cloud. That saves time if you replace the device. Test important features, payments, messages, and emergency contacts to confirm they work. If something breaks, restart the watch first, then repair the device. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and restore from backup. One key tip: repeat the restart after any firmware update if odd behavior continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.